Hello everyone. Today I will to show you how to schedule post my board and push it to the channel with the link button. From the previous video, you was to learn how to create ad board and use board to publish your content to your channel with the button URL link. And now I will to tell you how to create post and schedule it to post in that channel. So it is like you post in simple way. You just go to the board that you create ready and add it to that channel. And now you just go to create post like this and select your channel and you select your media. Like I click the photo and I say hello hello everyone and click enter. Now I just add an URL button and I use the same simple of this because I don't prepare it already. I put it like FB, YT and TikTok pass enter. Now you will see hello everyone with the FB link, YouTube link and TikTok link. So if this okay for you, you just go to the send and click send and they will give you the three options like send now and queen and set cell distract timer. About it I don't know and I haven't tried already, but for the schedule post you just click on and queenie and you have three function like today, tomorrow and over tomorrow. For this I think the day after tomorrow, and if you click on it you just pass your time that you want. And remember that time that we use in this we use with 24 hour in each function. If you don't know how to use, you just click on help, they will to tell you how to use. I talk more about on today and currently 9:26 so I want to post today at 10 o'clock. So for the 24 hour I don't know how many, but I just go to the Google and search 10 p.m. to 24 hour. They tell me it's 22 hour, so I just click on it and copy it and paste there. But I was set it previous test ready, so now I test this for 11 to 24. It's 23, yeah, so I copy 23 and I pass it. So schedule for create and they will confirm you that 24 July 2024 at 23 hour. It means that 11 o'clock. And yeah, that ready. Everything is simple for you and you can check it by yourself for more detail and how to use it more. And for this I think it completely for me, and thank you for watching my video.